Ionia State Park, or State Recreation Area, and I was just in the area and I thought I would do a drive-through just to check this place out. They've got hiking trails, horseback riding, a huge lake, and I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you some clips of it. There's some guys out there ice fishing right now. It's really cold this morning. It was about 14 degrees when I got on the road, and it's about 25 right now, so I don't think I'm going to do any hiking today. I've got Blue with me in the truck, and he's not big for cold weather, but I just kind of wanted to show you this place. It's really cool. It's a very big state park, so was happened to be up this way in Ionia today, and I thought I'd just do a drive through here. So I'm going to show you some of the scenery and things as I drive through, and hopefully at a future date I'll do some hiking trails up here. But definitely a place to check out if you're headed this way up towards Ionia in Ionia, Michigan. He ain't going out there. That people walking right out on the ice or driving right out on it. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little adventure here at the Ionia State Park. A little different than my normal videos with me out walking with the dogs in the woods, but hey, I just spooked a rabbit when I came up here, so that was pretty cool. Wish I got him on camera. Anyways, if you liked today's video, please take a minute to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Hopefully, I'll see you down the trail.